Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Ipsy unbagging for March. This is super cute this month. It has like this coin on here. Pretty neat. The first item I got was too big to fit in the bag, but it's this really pretty brush. Setting brush by Shayna B, Miami. It's really soft. I love the color too. So that's my first item. Take a look at what else came in here. Step into your power. Okay, they did list everything I got, so I'll set that aside and look at it at the end. First up, we have Caffeine Eye Cream. I actually just ran out of my eye cream, so this is very exciting. It depuffs and brightens, and it has caffeine, hyaluronic acid, and green tea. And that's a pretty good size. Normally, they're little tiny samples, so that's awesome. Then I also have Skin on Skin BC Concealer. So it's full coverage concealer. Very nice. Good size of that as well. I got something real big here. We have, it says the Biology of Beautiful Skin. That was a big container for that. Let's see, what is this? Grown Alchemist Age Repair Intensive Moisture. Cool. I like the container. It's one of those that you can really squeeze everything out of. It's real thin, almost like the metal type of containers. I like those a lot. And the last item is by Tarte, and it's a mascara. I'm not going to open it because I won't use it for a while, so I don't want it to dry out. But here we have the concealer. It's a deluxe sample, and so is the mascara. It says they all are. Oh, okay, and that is full size, full size. So 3 deluxes and a full size. Pretty good bag this month. If you guys are interested in signing up for Ipsy, I'll put all the information below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.